rejection of Kenya Kwanza's legitimate regime and its policies, especially the punitive taxes. As we speak, fuel, food, fare are all going up in prices. In fact, fare is already going up by 30%. Fellow Kenyans, as a people, we are not given to suffering in silence. We don't kneel before dictators and beg for their mercy. Even the few who do still suffer humiliation and even death. So we fight. We express ourselves loudly and clearly on issues affecting us. So we have got to fight, and that fight begins on this Friday. We need unity now more than ever. United, we can get many of the things that we not only desire, but which we justly deserve. From Friday, let's proceed with bold determination that we are going to stick together. We are going to work together. Let us stay with this fight until the end. We abhor violence. By embarking on pickets, protests, tax boycotts, and civil disobedience, we are not in any way advocating violence. We have never advocated violence in the past. We will never advocate it now or in the future. We believe in the law and the rule of law and will act within the law. But only weapon that we have in our hands is our sovereign power to picket, to protest, boycott, and embark on civil disobedience.